Next, I will explain the usability testing for the Filmora application. Usability test allows us to evaluate how Filmora performs in real-world use rather than relying on assumptions from designers to developers. It helps identify gaps between expected and actual user behavior and highlights pain points such as confusing navigation, difficulty finding information, or missing features that could affect user experience. This is especially important for Filmora because survey respondents raised concern about pricing, comfort, cinema facilities, and the overall movie-going experience. By observing users completing key tasks such as browsing movie, selecting show times and seats, applying discounts, and purchasing tickets, we can identify issues before they reduce user satisfaction. The findings provide data-driven insights that support better design decisions. Since most respondents showed a strong interest in using Filmora and recommend it if it's satisfied, addressing usability issues early is essential for user retention and success. Participants for this test will be young adults aged 18 to 25, similar to the survey respondents. A post-interaction survey will be used after participants complete common tasks within the app. Overall, the usability of Filmora is expected to be high, with clear navigation, accessible information, and an easy booking process. This suggests Filmora has strong potential as a user-friendly cinema booking application, provided it continues to prioritize user needs.
Next, I will discuss whether Filmora is a useful application for finding or reserving movie and explain the reason behind it. Overall, Filmora would be a very useful application as it allows users to search for the latest movie and book ticket conveniently without the need to wait in long queues at the cinema. This makes the ticket booking process faster and more efficient. In addition, affordable ticket prices, along with clearly displayed student OKU and promotional discount, would strongly encourage users to use the application more frequently. Cost savings are an important factor that can influence user decision to adopt and continue using the app. The use of visual indicators for different seating types, such as reclining or extra spacious seat, also helps users choose a more comfortable and enjoyable viewing experiences. These features allow users to better plan their cinema visit based on comfort preferences. Furthermore, real-time seat availability and transparent pricing increase user confidence during the booking process and help prevent disappointment caused by unavailable seats or hidden charges. Information on cinema facilities, including cleanliness, parking availability, and crowd level, also support users in selecting the most suitable cinema location based on their needs. In terms of improvement, Filmora can enhance its usability by making discount and promotional offer more visible and easier to apply during ticket purchases. Some users may experience delay or confuse during the booking process, so improving the loading speed and simplifying the checkout process would greatly improve the overall user experience. Adding a user review and rating feature for comfort, facility, and overall cinema experience would help users make more informed decisions. Lastly, the application would become more engaging and user-friendly by offering personalization recommendation based on movie preferences, budget range, and frequency of visit.
For our findings, we identify four main themes based on user feedback. First, for theme 1, home screen clarity and visual engagement, most users found it easy to navigate to the movie ticket booking section from the home screen. This shows that the main navigation and call to action are clear. However, some users felt that the interface could look more modern. Improving colors, typography, and overall visual consistency could help create a better first impression. Next, Theme 2, Movie and Cinema Selection Efficiency. Most users were able to find their preferred movie and cinema with little effort. The layout of information is clear and not confusing. However, users suggested that filters and sorting feature could be improved. Better search and location-based recommendations would help users make faster selection. Moving on to Theme 3, Seat Selection, Clarity and User Confidence. Users generally had a positive experience with seat selection. The seat layout is simple and available seats are clearly shown. However, adding short instruction or confirmation message could improve clarity, especially for first-time users. Lastly, for Theme 4, Effectiveness of Icons, Buttons and Navigation Cues. Users found the icons, buttons, and label easy to understand. The navigation follows users' expectation and help reduce confusion. To maintain this strength, consistency should be ensured across all screens, especially when introducing new features.
Based on the insight and solution, for Theme 5, the insight focuses on user hesitation during the final payment and booking confirmation stage. Some users feel unsure before confirming their payment due to a lack of reassurance and unclear confirmation steps. The hesitation may cause users to abandon the booking process. Therefore, providing a clear payment summary and visible confirmation steps before final payment can help build user trust and reduce booking abandonment. Moving on to Theme 6, most users understand the payment process and find the instructions clear. However, some users prefer having more payment options for greater flexibility. The current limited payment methods may not cater to all user preferences. By introducing more e-wallets and alternative payment options, the app can improve convenience and increase overall user satisfaction. Lastly, Theme 7 focuses on visual design quality and modern appeal. Although the app is functional, some users feel that the design is not modern or polished enough. Issues such as color usage, spacing, alignment, and layout consistency were identified. Improving these visual elements will make the app look more professional and trustworthy without affecting its ease of use.
My name is Nur Natasha Muhammad Arfan, student number 2024725461. For this section, I will explain the prototype refinements made to the Filmora Cinema ticket booking app based on usability testing feedback. Overall, users experience difficulties related to navigation, seat selection, discount visibility, and payment confidence. Therefore, the refinement process focused on improving clarity, efficiency, and user confidence throughout the booking journey. First, improvements were made to the home screen navigation. Some users were unsure how to start booking tickets. To address this, a clear Book Tickets Now button was added along with better visual hierarchy, making the starting point more obvious. Next, the movie and showtime selection was enhanced. Users found it difficult to locate preferred movies and timings. Clearer labels, improved categorization, and refined search and filter functions were introduced to help users find options more quickly. Another major refinement involved the seat selection interface. Users had trouble distinguishing between seat types. To solve this, seats were color-coded, labeled, and supported with a seat legend, allowing users to choose seats more confidently. In addition, discounts and promotions were not clearly visible during checkout. These were repositioned and highlighted with clear prompts so users could easily apply eligible offers. The checkout and payment process was also simplified. Users felt uncertain during payment, so the flow was streamlined. Instructions were clarified and progress indicators were added to guide users until completion. Finally, cinema information and user reviews were added. Details such as facilities, parking availability, cleanliness, and ratings helps users make informed decisions and increase trust.
Okay, I'm going to explain the impact of refinement. The refinement of the Filmora prototype has led to noticeable improvement in usability, navigation, and user confidence. Their interface is now more intuitive, making it easier for users to understand each step in the cinema ticket booking process. User can search for movies, select showtime, choose seats, and complete payment more efficiently, with fewer errors and less confusion. As a result, task completion becomes faster and smoother, which improves the overall efficiency of the application. This improvement also contributes to higher user satisfaction. When users find the application easy to use, well organized, they feel more comfortable and confident interacting with it. Clear navigation path, readable labels, and consistent design elements help the user trust the system, especially during the booking and payment stage. This increased trust is important because user is more likely to return to the application and recommend it to others when they feel confident using it. Overall, the refined design support greater acceptance and continued the use of the Fillmore application. So in conclusion, the refinement made to the Filmora prototype were guided by the structured usability testing and real user feedback. The feedback from users helped identify key usability issues such as unclear navigation, unnecessary steps, and confusing interface elements. By addressing this problem, the refined prototype better supports user needs and expectations. Overall, this improvement strengthened the Filmora potential to be a user-friendly, reliable, and competitive cinema ticket booking application in the market. That's all from me. Thank you.